hands outstretched. It's you I long for.
So when you're grounded in holiness and you're backed by God and you're preaching, you can't be afraid to touch any particular sin. You got to touch it all. God's going to hold you in account for your silence, because your silence can create circumstance. Too many believers are silent. I say it again, too many believers are silent. I hear me now. We're not called to watch this. I want you to watch carefully how I do this. We're not called to judgment and condemnation. Judgment belongs to one. God will judge on that great and dreadful day. Our job is to uphold the standard of righteousness and lift it up high and not be ashamed of it, and to let people know, okay, there is a way out of your depraved moral state, whatever it is. Low self-esteem, extreme discouragement, long-lasting depression, a sense of giving up, the temptation even of suicide. All these things in the same category. Sin, because it's not the nature that God has given you. That which God has given you is that of the spirit of power. He's letting you know what's not the spirit of power, the spirit. It means, talks about nature. Not just the flesh realm, which is fickle. The spirit, the nature, power of love and sound mind. When you are walking in these three things, you are walking in the nature that God has designed you to walk in. I just come to the church to worship you. To worship you, I live. Oh, to worship you, I live. To worship you. Can we lift our hands and sing one last time? Just wait before God's presence. To worship you, I live.